Hello everyone, my name is Alessandro and today you are going to see how these beans are not just beans. Today it's a rainy and pretty cold day in Sweden and that's why I miss Italy so much. But luckily I have my Zuppa Umbria here as my friend, as my guest today. So this is a typical dish that we eat when it's colder and it's come from Umbria, in the middle of Italy, the heart of Italy. All you need is lardo, which is the fat from the pig, a really nice virgin olive oil as usual, onion, tomato and different type of beans. And here we have a little bit of corns, black and white beans, we have spelt, lentils, here you can see lentils, and chickpeas. You can buy ready bean mix or you can buy separately, so you can buy maybe 70 grams each. These beans are dry, so I have already put them in the water for 8 hours, so it's really important to do that before, okay? The first thing we do, we take our beans. You can see I have already made my vegetables bouillon. You can of course buy those ready bouillon, but I prefer to do fresh. So I take my vegetables here. Ooh, you can find carrot, you can find celery, you can find one garlic there also, onion, and that's all. The water has taken all the flavor from the vegetables. And the next step, my beans inside, cooking in this amazing vegetables bouillon. Not so high temperature. You wait until the water starts boiling and then medium high. And now you are going to swim inside here for 45 minutes. Now you take the onion. Do like tiny slices. Every slice here is different, you see? I do like that. They are gonna melt inside anyway. Nice olive oil. You put inside your onion. Take your lardo and you cut small pieces like that. If you want to do a vegetarian dish, you don't need to put the lardo inside, but we are following the traditional recipes from Umbria. And you wait until you see that everything is getting gold and brown here. Now, exactly now, yes, it's time for us to put our tomato sauce. Here, as you can see, I have a San Marzano tomato, ecological. Look how beautiful it is. And then you let it simmer for about 15 minutes, okay? So every ingredient take the flavor from each other. I'm like a poet, food poet. I'm going to put also a lid, not on the full pot because I want something to go outside, but I don't want the whole liquid to disappear, okay? The beans cooked for about 45 minutes here. I can feel it's pretty hard, but I wanted to try it. No, I was joking. They are done. They are done, baby. You can see it is not so much water inside, okay? So I don't take away anything. I want everything to go inside. Now they are going to cook here for about 15-20 minutes. This is not so fast dish to make, I have to say that. And as I told you before, you have to put the beans in the water for 8 hours, so it's more like a project. But this is really cheap, really healthy and not difficult at all. Oh, look!
Look at that.
I'm sorry, if you don't put love in your food, you don't love yourself. It's time to eat. Yum.
Extra touch.
Flavor of rosemary and buon appetito signori e benvenuti in Umbria.